This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Use 8 Oz whole milk and 2 Oz heavy cream for a rich base, or 8 Oz milk alone for lighter texture. Measure 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, and 1 Oz chopped dark chocolate so each cup has consistent flavor. Add a pinch of salt and 1/4 tsp vanilla extract for depth. Preheat milk to 140 degrees F to 150 degrees F, 60 degrees C to 65 degrees C, before combining with chocolate to melt cleanly. Prepare 1 12 Oz cup. Set a fine mesh sieve. Whisk cocoa, sugar, and 1 tablespoon hot water into a smooth paste before adding warm milk to prevent lumps. Bring preheated milk slowly to the paste while whisking, then add 1 Oz chopped dark chocolate and continue whisking until fully integrated and glossy. Combine warm milk with the chocolate paste and 1 Oz chopped dark chocolate, whisking over low heat until velvety. Heat mixture to 160 degrees F, 71 degrees C, and hold briefly. Do not boil to preserve milk sweetness and texture. Strain through a fine mesh sieve into a 12 Oz cup. Top each 12 Oz serving with 1 Oz whipped cream or 2 tablespoon marshmallows, and a dusting of cocoa or cinnamon to enhance aroma and mouthfeel. For vegan option, use 8 Oz almond or oat milk and 2 tablespoon coconut cream instead of dairy cream, and replace chocolate with dairy-free dark chips. Offer flavor add-ins: 1/4 tsp instant espresso, 1/8 tsp cayenne, or 1/2 tsp orange zest per cup so customers can customize. Clean steam wand and wipe cup edges, present with a napkin and spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.